Unblocking someone on Instagram is a simple yet empowering step toward reconnecting or giving someone a second chance. Maybe you blocked someone in a moment of frustration, or perhaps your circumstances have changed. Whatever the reason, knowing how to unblock is essential for keeping your Instagram experience positive and open. To unblock someone, open the Instagram app and go straight to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner and choose Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down and tap Blocked Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of everyone you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock and tap on their name to visit their profile. On their profile page, you'll spot the Unblock button. Just tap it and confirm your decision. Instantly, you're both reconnected, and they can see your posts, like your photos, and send you direct messages again. Remember, unblocking doesn't automatically refollow the person, nor does it add them to your followers list. If you want to start fresh, you'll need to send them a new follow request. Be mindful. Once you unblock someone, they'll be able to see your public activity and interact with you unless you change your privacy settings. At Famety, we believe your social media should reflect positivity, growth, and freedom. Unblocking is a powerful way to manage your Instagram relationships and keep your experience authentic. If you ever need more likes, followers, shares, or support across all your platforms, Famety has your back. Our live support team is always ready to guide you, so you have more time to focus on what matters, building meaningful connections and expressing yourself online. Empower your social media, unlock new possibilities, and keep your Instagram journey energized with Famety by your side.